Check it out one time. I go by the name of DJ Basic, representing that little green apples crew. Yeah, that.
Yo, big shout out to Break Advice. I'm so glad to be back. This is Bboy Cut 1, represent all area crew Japan, and MZK lifestyle, ready to rock, fresh socks.
Hey, what's up, Bboy? Today, in this Quickstep video, we are going to learn with Bboy Katsu 1 3 ways to do this step.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, DJ Basic, LGA.
So like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 1 So it can be a big step as well. So like this. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. 6, 7, 8.
Remember to play with the music with the step. If you want to see the full class in the cards, I will leave the links to the title better, okay? Thanks for watching this video, Bboy. See you tomorrow.